Welcome to Composet Products, your #1 choice for do-it-yourself RV maintenance products, and the originators of the RV delamination repair epoxy, Composet SLV. It is a well-known fact that RVs are susceptible to water damage and delamination. For many, the answer is our proprietary delamination repair kits. The number 24 kit is for medium-sized delamination projects as well as multiple uses. It includes 2.4 quarts of the proprietary Composet SLV resin system. The mixed resin becomes thinner as it warms and slowly flows into the wall and penetrates the substrates. It can be injected with the special syringes, or poured into the wall cavity, or fed in through the tubing into hard-to-reach areas. Every kit comes with an assortment of tools and accessories to help you complete your project. Both large and small tubing are included with the kit, and the small tubing nests inside the large tubing to give you variations. Then the large tubing fits over the matching syringes that are included with the kit. A set of multi-use composite shims are included that help you position the window or open the wall for access or preventing moisture. Mixing sticks are included, as well as a putty knife that's used as a scraper or a trowel or a mixer. And we include chemical-resistant nitrile gloves. Both the 24 kit and the master kit include a squeeze bottle. Our kits can't solve all delamination issues, but certainly they have potential to fix and repair certain cases. And we're here to support you and our products throughout the project. We're here to help keep you on the road. Please visit us at www.delamrepair.com or www.rvroofandwall.com.